hospital, they are going to do surgery, operation. It's called modeling. So directly, doctor will do the surgery. Before they need to do a lot of dialysis. We are also doing a lot of dialysis. So they're doing patient dialysis, you're doing data dialysis. It's called diagnostics. Even the keywords also the same. Diagnostics, data. So whichever the data is non-normal, you are making it normal. Even the patient is abnormal, you are making normal. If the data is abnormal, you are going to make it normal. Abnormal means it should follow the normality. So that is called normality techniques, standardization techniques, scaling techniques, all the data validation techniques. Okay. So without data validation, we should not do the modeling. Without dialysis, you should not do the operation. If you did the operation will success, patient will die. So that's what happening for the 90% of the industry right now, because they're going for the direct machine learning. So they're starting direct operation without dialysis. So the model is going to fail. Whenever you did the proper dialysis, diagnostics, you can do effective operations. Okay. So how to do the operations for this data? So out of number of case studies, this is our regular case studies now. This is the first case study I'm doing myself. You see how I'm doing. The same data set you take into Python, do the experiment. Take into R, do the experiment. Do with multiple tools because the technique is same, environment is changing. Okay. So for that, out of demanded tools, one tool I'm choosing, which is SPSS. Because why I'm not choosing Python, you must know the Python. So first I will take 4 5 Python sessions. Whenever we get a proficiency with the Python, then we can move to uh, programming tools like Python and R and SPSS. So this is my data. You have to predict this one. The business question is very clear here. So I given the complete requirements. Generate box plot histogram for the bad data as well as good data. Okay. How to generate box plot. This is histogram. At the same time, box plot. What it is saying? This box plot is related to the 5 number summary analysis. In stock market, we are saying it's a candle bars. Okay. In financial sector, it is saying it is a whisker plot. In financial sector, we are saying it's a whisker plot. In data science point of view, it's saying it's a box plot. Okay, this is normal distribution. As per these two contents, this data is not following normal distribution. Something is wrong in this data. So the visual impact is more important than summary. Visual is just like a Harry Potter novels. Quickly you can understand. Summarization is detailed information like a novel. One is a DVD types, one is a novel. Novel is more detailed. Okay, so that is the reason for doing visualization. Even the course content also visualization is the first part. So visually you can understand the patterns. Okay, so this data is not good data. Of course, I know the Excel, I'm doing it one. If I know the Python, if I know the R, how we are doing in R, I'm taking this data into R. The importance of the R role, the importance of R role. If you're a R analyst, how you are doing? If you are a programmer, how you are doing? You see how quickly you can do. So fat is I'm using fat is equal scan of, just I'm scanning the data. You can scan the data, you can enter the data, you can import the data, you can connect the data. Either connect, either import, either scan, either enter, double enter. 1420 records are there. Okay, so now use hist of fat. What is this? Histogram. What I generated in Excel. It is also histogram. That's it. Even Python also the same process. No difference. Okay. Box plot, fat. How much the programming? Box plot, fat, comma, paste. So what difference you seen in R and Excel tool? Both are the same. But the question mark, what is a box plot? What is histogram? That is 8th class mathematics. Frequency. తెలుగులో పౌన పున్యాలు అంటారు. బాక్స్ ప్లాట్ పునర్వాంకాలు అంటారు. Okay, it is a quartiles. Simply, it's not a big wonder. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. This is Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR, interquartile range. This is Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. This is minimum, this is maximum, which means Q0, Q4, Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2, Q3, which is called percentiles, robustic measurements, okay, median related, or else five number summary analysis. It's not a rocket science. Whatever the tool is saying the same thing. Excel also the same. Okay. Now open the SPSS. Why I'm using SPSS? Of course, some people doesn't know the importance of SPSS. 2021 high demand for SaaS and SPSS because the both are the cyber security tools. 40,000 data science jobs are available at right now on the SAS and SPSS. Why people are searching only Python and R? Of course, including the how to follow other tools and techniques. Okay, it's boring for existing
అది
people.
కి అనేది ఫోన్
For
చేశాడు
people,
కరెంట్ వచ్చింది
data science, just SPSS are selecting data science SPSS. R, SAS, Python, SPSS all together 26,000 openings are there. Even I think last time also we seen the same thing. See, they need a data scientist, consultant, 5 to 8 years experience. Clearly, you see what they specified? Startup companies, application developments, Python is a kingmaker. But decision making, deep level insights, along with the Python, other tools also required. SPSS, SAS, or Python. These four tools dedicatingly we are using. Okay. So later on, search yourself, you can find out a lot of openings. Minimize, do the same. Zero case study and cholesterol. So converted into SPSS. This is the same SPSS file. This SPSS I'm showing in Naukri.com. Nobody is giving training on the SPSS. Just 4 days is required to understand the tool. Okay, but in this tool, correlation, regression, linear regression, binomial regression, multinomial regression, and decision making, factor analysis, and k-means, discretion, sorry, KNN. Okay, survival model. I told you, survival model. Present to survival model is the most important. Hazard models and forecasting models, stochastic models, and a neural network, deep learning. Everything is there. This single tab is complete data science. For understanding this tab, it takes 3 months time. Okay, let us see. Open statistics, EDA. Our part is exploited data analysis. Take the first data, go to the plot, histogram is there, select histogram, just run it. Same histogram, same box plot, but data is different. This is not a, see, we generated a graph for this data. I'm going to paste this data into this place, right? This is the data which I did in Excel. Now I'm selecting the last variable. This is the last variable. How it is? How it is? Abnormal, but the same. For opening Anaconda, it takes time. So meanwhile, okay, we'll open it. What is wrong? If you go for SAS also, all are the same representation. So now you should focus what kind of representation is required for doing data analysis. Now the body for data I'm taking. Previous day what I did, I created a some mean, mode, median, explain. Now I started visualization. So first of all, how many visual techniques is required? How many summary techniques is required for you? That we should understand. So now come back to your Jupyter. I'm going to open. I'm coming back. This is your daily material. Data type we discussed. Come to the central tendency and dispersion. So what I told you last class, central tendency is the answer, dispersion is the decision making. So always central tendency can be anything, but dispersion should be low. Now day wise sheet also I'm opening. So whatever we are following, everyday sheet we are implementing. So this is the previous class, the central tendency techniques, and this is the dispersion techniques. Just I created a box plot now. The box plot is Q0 or minimum, Q1 or 25 percentile, Q2 or 50 percentile, Q3 or 75 percentile, Q4 or 100 percentile or else max. All are the same. So different terminologies. This is 0 percentile. Q2 is 50 or else median. So is this one. The 5 number summary corresponding visual technique is box plot. PP plot and QQ plot. With the help of a box plot, PP plot, QQ plot, you can decide the modeling. You can decide the machine learning modeling with the help of the PP plot, QQ plot, and a box plot. Got it? Now this is linked with histogram. Central tendency corresponding to the related to the histogram. The histogram is mean is equal, median is equal to mode. Histogram representing mean, mode, median. Whenever it is similar, the data is good. That is the final beginning discussion. If the box plot is showing proper box, the data is good. Okay. The box plot related to the 5 number summary, which is this one, the histogram related to central tendency. So whatever I displayed in Excel sheet, inside there is a mean, mode, median is available. Inside Q1, Q2, Q3 is available. What about this one? This is standardized plot. Similarly, vice versa of the histogram. Vice versa of the histogram. Reverse engineering of the histogram, which is Z-score. Z-score or standardized plot. Got it? So now 1, 2, 3. 3 plots we know very well. 3 plots. Now this is the time to show all the visual techniques for the respondents. So whenever you know these techniques, now I selected one case study, but a body fat. Directly you should not apply the case study without knowing anything. So just I created 2 things. One is histogram box plot. I should explain what is the linking to the statistical techniques. The statistical technique, central tendency, dispersion is linking, but we don't know what is the central tendency techniques with the detailed. So just visualize. I'm visualizing this technique. This is the visual techniques. This is the summary techniques. The first day class, I remember data types, central tendency, dispersion, 5 numbers, distribution, cross tabulation. Whenever you know this one, you are eligible for the business analyst. Within 25 days, you can apply for the job position. The majority of the people are failing in this section. Whenever the people are neglecting of this one, their machine learning is 0. But operation, success, patient will die. Pakka. Srikant Garu, you can do the successful operation. No use because you are not doing dialysis. The dialysis techniques are this one. Just to histogram you are seeing, you're not going for deep level of the histogram. So I showed box plot, PP plot, QQ plot, which is useful for the modeling subject. Deep level machine learning subject. Just minimize it. Go back. This is the data. Tell me, Venkatesh, regression I'm using. Regression is a machine learning subject. Dependent variable and independent variables I'm selecting. Now open this one. Variance statistics. This one statistics. Descriptive statistics. What is the terminology? Collinearity diagnostics. Diagnostics, dialysis. Outliers. Standard deviation. Come to the plots. What they told. What I'm explaining it right now. So indirectly for injecting regression model in future, I started this analytics. If I say statistics, okay, oh my God, he's teaching statistics. It's not useful for me, but it's clearly useful. Okay, PP, normal probability plot. Got it? Save. Again, same. All the statistical related techniques are available. Remember always covariance. It's a pure mathematics. It's a deriving from normal distribution, Poisson distribution, binomial distribution, hypergeometric distribution. Then only you can understand the covariance matrix at right now. It is called a covariance matrix. 10th class mathematics, matrix, inverse matrix, proportional matrix. From that matrix, covariance matrix. If you know that, you can enjoy the future subject. But I'm not explaining it right now. Even I'm not selecting. I can't able to answer it right now for your questions. Click it. When I generated mean, deviation, correlation, R score, adjusted R score, F value, ANOVA, coefficient values, something is there. But why this one is displaying here? Suddenly, how can I explore these techniques in future? I can't explore. So that's why I'm giving foundation. This is called PP plot. The same PP plot is available here. Okay, now. So all together, the summary techniques are available here. This is the visual techniques, summary techniques. Go for the next slide. You can see the complete data summarization techniques. You can see the complete data summarization techniques. Come in, please. This is data types, central tendency, and dispersions, and the 5-number summary, and the distribution techniques. Okay, just we started central tendency and dispersions. So 5 case studies you have to implement during this time. 5 case studies, just 1 case study only I started. Remaining case studies within 25 days. If you're not doing case study, don't ask me. I'm not responsible. If you did the case studies, I'm responsible for everything. Okay, so now this is the summary techniques. You go for any tool, Python, R, SAS, SPSS, any tool. These are the things. You do one thing. Now everybody knows the Python. Go up to the Python, open the PD, import the pandas or stats, SM dot. Use SM dot. Every keyword you can see. Use the pandas, apply describe, which is giving 5-number summary analysis. Describe. Mean, dispersion, every technique is available. So if you know the every technique, right now, in future, indirectly, I'm teaching Python 50 functions. It's almost all 50 functions indirectly you are getting now, but I'm not teaching. I'm teaching this one. When you're going to importing the Python library, you can see all the details, every details. So like end of the course, you are getting hundreds of functions, thousands of key codes. Got it? This is the summary techniques. Go right now. Now the visual techniques I'm exploring. It's called histogram for the numerical data. This is the box plot for the numerical data. This is linear plot for numerical data. This is correlation matrix plot. Matrix means 10 into 10, 5 into 10, 2 into 2, 20 into 20, rows 20, columns 20. That's why matrix plot. Matrix plots inside histogram and QQ plot. Inside histogram and QQ plot is there. Whenever you know it right now, in future matrix correlation you can understand. Is it clear? It is a correlation numerical graph. It is a K-means clustering. PP plot, QQ plot. Leptokurtic, mesokurtic, plotokurtic. These techniques for numerical data. Please remember. Class is recording. Whatever the visual techniques I'm showing, it is for the numbers data A to Z, sorry, 0 to 9. If you want to do the data validation, data exploration, visualization, or data quality checks, this is the techniques. Go for Tableau, the same techniques. You show me more than these techniques. You can't. Because the requirement techniques is this one. Excel, what it is there? Histogram, box plot. Okay, QQ plot is not available. You have to go for additional tools. So the remaining tools for, okay, this is skewness and curtices. Left skewed and right skewed. So all the graphs is interlinking with your dispersion central tendency 5 number summary only. That is this is the visual, that is a summary. But the tools are common. Now, it is a heat maps. The same numerical data. Whatever I showed, whatever displaying the screen, it is all for the numerical visualization, numerical data validation techniques. Okay, histogram you seen, box plot you seen. I will generate the correlation also, because in this 1 hour class I can't show the picture day by day. Just remember it. This I can show, this I can show, everyone I can show to you, but not one day, one by one. Got it? So numerical data validation techniques, summarization techniques. Validation is before operation. Summarization is knowing about yesterday. Summarization techniques are knowing about yesterday. Okay, validation techniques, knowing about tomorrow just for patterns, behaviors, but not a modeling. Modeling is machine learning again. Okay, so the rest of techniques, it's for the character data. Bar chart, character data. Pie chart, character data. Bubble chart, character data. Line chart, numbers data versus time data. Correlation coefficients, it is also numerical data. It is a both character, character, character. Now the complete visual techniques are available. Go for 150 visualization tools. Example, Power BI, QlikView, Pentaho, SPSS, Henna, and IBM Watson. Tool can like Tableau. Tool can be anything. The technique is not changing. So that's why companies are using Tableau tool just for finding the behavior of the data, but not a modeling of the data. Okay. At the same time, the central tendency techniques, mean, sigma x by n. Whoever joining this course, they're understanding why the mean, where the mean, how the mean. Whoever not joined here, they're thinking, okay, mean means x by n. Why? What is the use of the x by n? Just a formula I'm using. Google it, you can find out. Just for quick summary, I'm using this one. Mode, number of frequency, median, interlinking with the too many techniques. That is odd, even. You take the data, if it is a odd numbers, plus 1 by 2. If it is even number, middle one. Weighted mean, where you are applying this weighted mean. When you are applying the weighted mean, whenever the time is included, whenever your unknown things are included, then weighted mean calculating. Example, IT employee salary. On average, 5 lakhs. But the 5 lakhs is depends upon subject. Developer, architecture, database administrator, test engineer. Everybody is getting the same salary. Then why you are taking average? Okay, house construction cost. On average, 2000 square feet, which is wrong. Carpenter, entire the 365 days is working. Painter, 365 days working. Tapi Mestri, 365 days working. Number of hours into cost. It is called weighted mean. We will go for application wise. Just to theoretical, I'm explaining. We have to do the practical for the case study now. Geomean. Geomean means principal compound interest. Do you remember auto finance? Auto finance people are doing always geo mean. Okay, I have to explain Harmonic mean in financial sector, in stock market, we are saying it is a, we are calculating harmonic mean. It's a formula. Trimmed mean, trimming, cutting mean, upper mean, lower mean. This is the central tendency technique. But many people use mean mode median. If you know this, in interview point, if any corner they are coming, you can trigger it. You can give the answer. But these techniques are linking with the probability techniques. The probability techniques are linking with the modeling techniques. The modeling techniques are linking with your future neural network techniques. The weighted mean is there. Weighted average how to calculating for deep learning techniques. So if you doesn't know this one, how can you understand the technique? Now come to dispersions. Dispersion is standard deviation. CV, then variance, then minimum, maximum, range, IQR, skewness, kurtosis, standard error. Those are all dispersion techniques. My intention is not showing the formula, why it is, where it is, how it is, when it is. Okay. This is the complete, just central tendency techniques. I'm closing this. Come to this one. So now wherever I started, back to here. Between I explained something. How can you say this data is a bad data? Okay. So for that, you should focus on these techniques. I will give an example. You try to understand that example. You can understand why that data is a bad data. You can declare it right now only. I'm going to share all these PPTs. Whatever the data I'm copying, no need to copy yourself because the PPT is there just to do the experiment. Rakesh, this is the data. See, the business question here, lockdown time, so many people are becoming defaulters, credit card defaulters. The manager is asking, so tell me what is the average default amount? What is the average default amount they're asking? Now, small data means I can show to you. If it is a large data, how can I show? Can you understand the values for the large data? If it is 1 lakh customers, it's not possible to calculate it. So as an analyst, the first step, apply the central tendency technique. Okay. Mean, median, mode, geomean, harmonic mean. 4 techniques I'm taking. In Excel, average. Average 10,000 rupees is a default amount. That is what manager is saying. Yeah, please. Median. So please guys, I'm doing an Excel sheet just for explaining the subject. Don't expect I joined for Python. Why is not doing Python? When I'm writing a coding point, it's your mind is focusing on coding, not a content. Mode is most repeating values. if you know the purpose of geomean, you can search in Python where it is available. Import the library, take it, apply it. Same harmonic mean also. Now, there is a two kind of analysts. One is a professional analyst. మన క్లాస్ కాబట్టి మనం ప్రొఫెషనల్ అనలిస్ట్ అని చెప్పుకున్నాం. ఆబ్వియస్గా ఎవరికోళ్ళు గొప్ప చెప్పుకోవాలి కదా. వీఆర్ ద ప్రొఫెషనల్ అనలిస్ట్. ద నార్మల్ అనలిస్ట్ విల్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ ఓన్లీ మీన్ because he knows the mean. But the deep level, you should follow even geometric mean, harmonic mean also. When you are taking a mean, you are saying, sir, on average default amount is 10,000. The mean is the biggest wrong technique in industry. Biggest wrong techniques. 10,000 is average amount. Any customer is close to 10,000?
No.
Any customer? Then how can you decide the mean? How can you decide you know the mean? But rest of all the techniques are showing similar to the existing techniques, which means something is there. Am I right? Something is there in techniques. So question 1, quote unquote, all the central tendencies are similar, your data is good. What I told, histogram, if the mean, mode, median is similar, your data is good. Otherwise your data is bad. Something is wrong. Do it the same thing in Python. Why I'm using Python always? Because everybody is saying Python. If I'm not using the keyword, nobody will pay fee for me. That is the reason. Simple. Okay. So no customer is close to 10,000. Then how can you decide the mean? But this is answer. Now go for the decision making. Decision making, STD, CV, DQ. You ask me DQ, na? Remember, now I will give the DQ. It's all red colors because decision makers. Standard deviation if the standard deviation is less, your data is good. The most important key point, standard deviation should not exceed the central tendency. Whenever the deviation is exceeded central tendency, deviating, disaster, diplomatic, digging, delay, it's a destroy, delete, divorce, dismantle, diplomatic, disprime, all are the negative keywords. It should not be high, it should be low. Then data is good. Okay. Now all the central tendency exceeded, followed by these techniques. It is enough to take a decision making. The data is not good. Which data? Above the data. For what? For exploring to the manager. For giving to the report to the manager. Blindly you should not do. Take the average. Okay, sir, take the, this is our 10,000 average. Give the report. That's not a business analyst role. Whatever the data is saying, what you did additionally, you are the scientist. You have to do the experiments on, not experiments, just some insights on this data. So if you know only these techniques, mean is correct because Excel is given mean is right. When you know other techniques, the mean calculation is right. But business point of view, something is wrong in your data, okay, which is not good. CV means standard deviation by mean into 100, or else standard deviation by mean into percentage. It is called risk. 53% risk is there in your data. So that's why I'm not believing this one. The central tendency is exceeded. Dispersion is exceeded central tendency. That's why I'm not believing this data. DQ means harmonic mean by arithmetic mean. Harmonic mean by arithmetic mean. This data quality 55%. That's why I'm not believing the data. Then what to do? Find out the outliers. Find out the outliers. For calculating the outliers, there is so many techniques are there. So many techniques are there. So Srikanth, these techniques are available for doing data cleaning. principal component, Z score, KNN, min max, residuals. So many techniques are there. In first class, I can't give all those things. It's a simple but effective. Not only box plot, many things you can do. Okay, Z score always should lies between 1.96 plus or minus, which is normal distribution. So this is linking. This one is linking, but still I didn't calculate normal distribution. Just I showed, but I have to go for calculation because it's a probability density plot, normal distribution plot. The probabilities are included in this one. Okay, so I'm not going to the deep level. Slowly I will go for it. This one is less. So for finding that, calculate Z score. What is the formula for the Z score? X minus this is the mean. You make a dollar symbol. By standard deviation. Did a mistake. This is whenever the data exceeded plus or minus 1.96, it's outlier. Plus or minus 1.96, it's outlier. So this is histogram for yesterday data, normal distribution for the tomorrow data, histogram for the yesterday, normal distribution for tomorrow, but the both data is the same. Okay, now histogram I'm choosing. Histogram means mean, median, mode. Whenever the data is looks like this plot, the data is good. Whenever it is not following, the data is wrong. Data is wrong means maybe outliers are there. So through Z score you can find out the outliers. The Z score calculation is here is the 0, here it's a -1, here it's a -2, it's a -3, +1, +2, +3. +3 means 99%, +2 means 95%, +1 means 68%, which is called 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma. 1 is close to 1.96. That is the reason for applying 1.96. If the data is this side, that is the outlier. This side is a good data. This side is a bad data. Got it? Just the cinema started, not even into deep level. Because in regression model also the same plot is there. Got it? Analyze regression already previously in memory it is there. Now I'm running. When I'm running this one, what is this? 0. What is this? -1, -2, -3. That I started at right now. So the origin technique పునాదులు అంటారు కదా, ఆ పునాదే ఇది. Got it? So that is called base. See, now I'm showing regression model, machine learning techniques. Then I'm coming back to the statistical technique just for conveying and making connection. There also 0 plus or minus 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. So, but here also I'm saying the same thing. But I'm going to generate the same plot for this historical data right now, body fat data. And this data also in future. If it is a large data, you do the same thing. See now, enter the data where the data is exceeded plus or minus 1.96. This one. Just go and cross check. Clearly outlier is there. Okay. All the values are 4 digits. This is the 5 digit. Small data I can show. Large data, the system is generating. The system is generating. So now, this is outlier. Who can raise the question? Companies are paying salary. Now you're raising the question. Sir, this is the wrong. Impossible to have that much data. Either data entry mistake. Either it should be 7,000. Either it should be 5,000. 5,000. Or else extreme defaulter is there. Just go and catch them. Or else you should not include the person into this analysis because he's less than 20,000, he's the more than 50,000. Separate them, cluster them, do the separate analysis. Now the person said, sir, it's a data entry mistake, something is wrong. That's also big solution now. Okay, how did you find? Through Z-score. Now come back. Is there any outliers? If it is there is no outliers, means the mean mode median is similar, your data is good. Just come down and see how the techniques are available. All are similar. All are similar. The deviation is run away from here. If the deviation is run away, risk is less. If the risk is less, quality is good. దీనికి 30 రోజులు తీసుకుంటాడు టైం అవసరమా? Why you are wasting your money? Just one class is enough. If you're not understanding, let me know. I will explain. See, you feel it's a 10 lakhs customer data. The client is asking, give me what is the default amount. Before giving default amount, do the complete summarization. So, sir, I'm lazy person. I don't want to do all these things. I want to make a automation. Yes, you can make automation. Now I will take a real data. Now the time is 8:57. Just 5 minutes, I will take real data analysis. National Stock Exchange. Suggest me one stock for today. Can you suggest me any stock? Wipro, very good. So Wipro data we are taking. We will find out the highest top best days and worst days. Okay, as well as the trend of the Wipro, whether you can invest or not. Wipro. See, one class is helping for your personal. If you want to invest in stock market or mutual funds, you are coming to the Wipro. You are taking historical data. Okay. Historical data ఉంటుందండి. ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Historical data and 1 year. 1 year తీసుకుందామా? 1 year. CSV. ఓకేనా? Whenever the time is included in your data, whenever the time is included, go for line chart always. Time and closing price. Why I'm not taking beginning price? If I take a beginning price, again 12 hours I have to wait. Closing price means yesterday close, today beginning. So now, day wise sheet. Stock market. First see that Sorry. The trend is what? Going up. Okay. Now you want to invest in this stock, good stock or bad stock. It's going up. This visually it's showing it's going up. Just two classes only. You can do the complete as a risk manager, as a business analyst. How can you do the same thing you can do with the small session? Go to the data analysis, descriptive statistics. We are discussing descriptive statistics now. Then take this is Wipro data analysis. Please follow the recording. However, I'm doing, you can do the same thing. Control Shift Enter. Uh, it's a 251 days because Saturday Sunday data is not available. Summary statistics, confidential intervals, output range displays. Label I selected, run it. Whatever complete Python is doing, Excel also given, SPS also given, all are the same. Your average stock price is how much? 272. But this person is 70. But Excel is not given CV. Why can't you do the calculate the CV? Because you know the CV. Standard deviation by 252. 25% risk is there. Risk means say the profit or loss. If the stock is going for up also you will get a heart attack, down also you will get a heart attack. Heart attack is a common. One is happiness, heart attack. One is a sadness, heart attack. The stock is rapidly increasing. 25% almost all fluctuation is there. Okay, na? So geo mean, harmonic mean, uh, mode is there, median is there, na? Whatever we calculated, all are there. Now, geo mean, this one, harmonic mean. See, all are 260, 250, 240, 270. Data is good data. Okay, na? So, remaining answers you can give, right? Harmonic mean by arithmetic mean 93%. Why the 7% is error? Still 7% error is there, na? Trace out it. The JET scores will change your life, turn up your life. Please remember, 1.96 will turn up. For the data scientist, 1.96 is important, not like a bits and pieces subject. So now, do the data standardization. Actual minus 272.34 by 70.40. Outliers. Now, condition highlights between rule is rule 1.96 minus 1.96. See, Whenever the stock is going down, it will show the minus value. Whenever the stock is going up, it is showing the plus value. So now I'm understanding why you are saying this Wipro plan. From the last 10 days, the stock is going up. I'm not saying. Your historical data is saying. Jet score is saying. Outlets, good outlets.
Going down also. Chart.
Going.
Graph after December 20. Graph going down. Last.
The last, this one,
Uh,
going down and maybe makes sense point. He raised.
I first one going down. 54 and stuff like 30.
Maybe డేటా మనం వయసు వరుస తీసుకున్నామా.
One 1.6 to minus.
Going up, going up. See this data, see it started with 189, now 400, going up, not going down. How can you say going down?
Last కొంచెం తగ్గుతుంది కదా.
See, it's overall trend, not a detailed kind of things. Its overall trend is there. I'm going to do stochastic models, Monte Carlo simulations for this data in future. Do you heard about the Monte Carlo simulations nowadays? Open ISB course. Just yesterday they started. 24 they're going to start. Monte Carlo simulations, stochastic models. I will show right now. Because don't go for known techniques. It's known technique only, but the name is new. Simulations, simulation models. See, last year now the course is going on. February ending, they're finishing it. Stochastic models is related to this data. We will do how to do. I will show how to do the simulations with the Monte Carlo simulations. Stochastic models, Markov models, Monte Carlo simulations. It's IIM syllabus. The stochastic models also I'm going to teach. See now, where it is. After all statistics, just after all useless statistics you applied, you are going to invest. Now, can you invest or not invest in this stock? You are going to invest in this stock or not? Short term, maybe. This outlier is not good. This is a not. It's not good for investment. See, slowly improvement is important, but suddenly increasing means something has happened. Maybe their quarter annual report is published, which is showing very high. Suddenly customers are buying the stocks. That may be reason. They got a big project. It may be reason. There is no consistency in this data. Okay. One more. DMART. DMART group is maybe some different group, that is DMART Avenue group. Historical data, same download. Oh, sorry. 1 year download. DMART. Take You see that you compare with these two. Data మొత్తం లేదంటే just for analysis purpose we will just for showing graph it will show the equal distance now. Take this two combined, make a graph. One is two hundreds, one is thousands. It is also, it's rapidly increasing. This is not much rapid. Am I right? Compared to this is not much rapid. Now, data analysis, descriptive. What I'm using? Just I'm changing D. D. This is H. Okay. %26 risk because the stock is going very high. 10% risk, flat. 98% quality, 99% quality. Tell me now where you can invest. If you want to get a profit or heart attack, slow and steady, DMART is the best one. You see the trend also the same thing. Here also the same thing. Now, two three 06.58, 230 6.314. Last 10 days, all stocks are good. Just your jet score is saying the same technique we are using for data cleaning also. That is the power of the mean and standard deviation. See how we are neglecting this mean and standard. I'm not talking about the big analytics, just the central tendency technique and dispersion techniques, how we are using this one. Okay, so from the last 1 week, the stock is going very well. The scenario is going very well. Your jet score is saying, okay, the
How
final
much Z score it should be? Sir?
huh?
How much Z score should be?
1.96 is a standard.
Okay, more than 1.96 is also it's not good, right?
Outlier. Outlier means not a bad, not a good, which is extreme data.
Suddenly it is.
Extreme data. Now your stock is 1236 rupees. That much of deviation is there. It is linking with your normal distribution curve. See now, if you want to build a model, don't consider these values, which is extreme data. Your prediction goes wrong because the happening means regularly it should be happening. Why suddenly happening? At the same time, there is no much negative. It's going up. So definitely take a yes bank. It's showing minus for you, or else it's showing other things. See the jet score and everything is a standardized data. In analytics, it's a very big key important role. See now Wipro data. Okay. See this manually teach you these techniques. Take these two values. New sheet, enter it. It is a spaces. One is Wipro, DMart. How much time I taken for doing Excel analysis? 10 minutes. Explanation is different. Count down, analyze, descriptive, descriptive, take the two stocks, save as a standardization, run it. Done. Come on. You got the same outliers. 5 seconds. Okay. Again, analyze, descriptive, explorer, take this to plot, histogram, run it. It is showing the complete EDA. Mean, trimmed mean, upper mean, variance, deviation, minimum, maximum, range, skewness, kurtosis. Then your histogram, then your box plot, then second data, second box plot. DMART there is outliers. DMART there is outliers. Okay, so now take the data, open the data, text, file, paste, copy, again cut it, open the R. DMART is equal to scan of, sorry, data is not copied properly.
Oh, it is having commas, it seems.
Comma itself it's taking. So I am copied to the text file. That is SQL file. So the query is inside. Text file means there is no DMART equal to scan of 1 year data. List of DMART. Following some trend. Okay. Box plot of DMART. Whatever outlier is there, SPS is also the same outlier. Insert. Here also outliers are there. Insert, histogram. This box histogram. It is also it looks good. The same, whatever we did in Excel are the same displaying. Box plot. There is outliers now. Okay, please remove this outliers. This is DMART, right? Remove this outliers. No, data నేను కాపీ చేసేటప్పుడు మారిపోయింది. Now no outliers. Now no outliers. This comes to little distribution. Now come to this last data, beginning data. Take this data, analyze, explorer. Now tool can mean anything. You can do everywhere. The first one, body fat data, taking, plot is histogram. Plot is histogram. So this is good. It is also good. Beginningly, what I did, there is some values manipulated here. I only did manipulated now. This values. I'm pasting here. It's manipulated values. So you want to do the dialysis of this data, followed by this 1 hour techniques. Analyze, explore it, run it. First point, how the graph is showing? Not following histogram. What is this box plot? Yes. The simple way, do the data standardization. Analyze. Just I'm using option, save as standardized. You know the formula. This is the formula now. Now, back to this data, whatever I displayed, the same thing is displayed. Now, this is all extreme values.
Yes.
Extreme values. Okay, regenerate histogram of this data. Whatever the last variable, which is Z score. Same graph. Same graph. But this is mean 40, 20, 60, 80, 100. But this is 0, -2, 2, 6, because the extreme values are right side. Now this graph is saying that both are saying the same histogram. There is outliers. Now, you know very well this is outliers. Remove it. I removed. Okay. Reanalysis it. Only Z score. Reanalyze it. Whatever I showed beginning. Stock market also the same thing now. 1, 2, -1, -2. Okay. Any box plot? It is no box plot. So if you are making this into different way, it is also looks like a box plot. Why it is? Tomorrow I will explain it. Just rotate it. It's also box plot. Okay. So that is the tomorrow session. If you're not starting the case studies, you will lose your enjoyment. Just Excel. We are not doing any wonders. Just Excel calculations only we are doing. Okay, na? So thank you very much. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow class. Thank you very much. Questions, whatever the today class question is there, please refer the video because content we are discussing more. At least 1 hour if you referred, you can raise the so many questions. So thank you. Thank you very much for all. Thank